Hey, I bet you can't tell me what kind of floor this is. Yeah, it looks like wood, feels like wood, tastes like wood, but it's not. It is the worst possible flooring you could ever use. It's solid MDF with a very thin photograph of barn-aged wood on top, but just like MDF baseboards, if you allow your cleaning agent to get in between the planks, guess what? It's going to swell and you are going to be blamed. I'm going to clean this for this customer, but not without pointing out that they already have existing swelling and all kinds of flexing going on. See that? So if I overuse anything on here, even just water, I stand a great risk of causing additional swelling. That's what I'm going to use right there. Very little of it. Be careful.